Hello learners, today we're going to be looking at word chains. We're going to focus on the sequence of sounds within a word and change some letters to change the word. And this can help not only in our reading, but also when we're spelling words in our writing. So let's take a look at an example of a word chain. Here's a word chain. I'm going to start with the word sat, and I want to take that word and turn it into pat. So I need to think about where that sound change happens. And I hear sat, pat. That sound change is going to happen with the first letter. So we say goodbye to the letter S and hello to the letter P to make the word pat. I want to take pat and turn it into pan. I think about where that sound change is going to happen. Pat, pan. I hear that the last sound is going to change, so I say goodbye to the letter T and hello to the letter N to make the word pan. To turn pan into ran, I think about where that sound change is going to happen. Pan, ran, and I hear the first sound change. So I say goodbye to the letter P and hello to the letter R to make the word ran. I can take the word ran and turn it to rap. I think about where that sound change happens. Ran, rap. The last sound changes, so I say goodbye to the letter N and hello to the letter P to make the word rap. Then I take rap and turn it into rag. Thinking about where that sound change happens. Rap, rag. The last sound changes, so we say goodbye to the letter P and hello to the letter G to make rag. Then I want to take rag and turn it into bag. I think about where that sound change happens. Rag, bag. I hear that first sound change, so I'm going to say goodbye to the letter R and hello to the letter B to make the word bag. And this is an example of a word chain. So today, we're going to learn how to take one word and turn it into a different word by adding a letter or by taking a letter away. So let's get started. So here I have the word bag, bag, b-a-g, bag. I want to make it say brag, brag, b-r-a-g, brag. So there's another sound there that I'm going to add. So we're going to say hello to the letter R right after that B to make the word brag. I want to take brag and I want to make it say rag. Brag. B-r-a-g. Brag. Now I want to make it say rag. Rag. R-a-g. Rag. That sound change is going to happen at the beginning. So we're going to say goodbye to the letter B in brag to make it say rag. Another example of a word chain. Let's take a look at another one. I want to take ram and I want it to say ramp. Ram. R-a-m. Ram. And I want it to make it say ramp. Ramp. R-a-m-p. Ramp. There's another sound added at the end, the p sound, which is spelled with the letter P. So we're going to say hello to the letter P to make the word ramp. Now I want to take ramp and I want to make it say rap. Ramp. R-a-m-p. Ramp. I want to make it say rap. Rap. R-a-p. I hear a sound change kind of in the middle there, so I don't hear that sound anymore. So we're going to say goodbye to the letter M and make it say rap. Another example of a word chain. So let's try some together. Let's make some words together. Let's change some letter or add a letter to words to make a new word. So what letters do we need to change here? I have the word cup. Let's stretch out the word cup together. Cup. K-up. Cup. Now we want it to say cap. Let's stretch out cap. cap, k-a-p, cap. Where was the change you heard? At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? It was in the middle, yes. So what do we need to change? Let's stretch out cap again. Cap, k-a-p, cap. Our C stays the same, but we say goodbye to the letter U and hello to the letter A, and then the P stays the same. So we have the word, and I'll make that bigger for us to see, we have the word cap. Let's do another one. What letters do we need to change? We have the word cap. Now I want it to say cape. Let's stretch out cap again. Cap, k-a-p, cap. Let's stretch out cape. Cape, k-a-p, cape. Where was the sound change? Well, we still heard the letter C for k, but instead of a, we hear a, which we know is spelled with the letter A. We still hear the p, which is spelled with the letter P, but what makes that A say A and not a, like in cap? We have to add the letter E. I'll make that bigger for us again so we can see it. So we took cap and we changed it to cape by adding that silent E at the end. That was a tricky one. Let's do another one. This is the word cap. I want to say clap. Let's stretch out clap. Clap. K-o-a-p. Clap. Where was the change happening? I heard a sound added to the word. So what sound did you hear added? That's right, oh. So we still heard k, which is spelled with C, and then we have that clap, k-o, the L, and then we had the short A, and we still had p, which is spelled with P. If I make that bigger, we took cap and we made it say clap by adding that L. We said hello to the letter L. Let's do another one. Let's take clap and make it say lap. Let's stretch out lap. Lap. O-ap. Lap. Where was the sound change happening? Beginning, middle, or end? It was happening in the beginning. We said goodbye to the letter C, and then we have the letter L, O, A, and P to make the word lap. Clap turns into lap by saying goodbye to the letter C and keeping the O, the L at the beginning. Let's look at another one. We have lamp, and we want it to say lump. Let's stretch out lump. Lump. O-a-m-p. Lump. Where was the change happening? Yep, we have to say goodbye to the letter A and hello to the letter U to make it say lump. So that change was happening there in the middle with the vowel sound. Lamp turns into lump by changing that vowel sound. Here's another one. Rag. What letters do we need to change to make it say bag? Let's finger stretch bag. Bag. B-a-g. Bag. Where was the change happening? Beginning, middle, or end? At the beginning. We say goodbye to the letter R and what says B. And hello to the letter B to make it say bag. Good job. Let's try another one. This is the word cast. We want it to say last. Let's finger stretch last. Last. O-a-s-t. Last. Where was the change happening? beginning, middle, or end? It was happening in the beginning. So we have to say goodbye to the letter C and hello to what says O, L. And then A spelled with A, and we keep the S, T to make it say last. Cast turns into last. Let's try another one. Let's keep going. Late. We want it to say plate. Let's stretch out plate. Plate. P-O-A-T. Plate. Where is that change happening? At the beginning. We hear the P sound, so we say hello to the letter P to make late into plate. And I'll make it bigger for us so we can see. Late turns into plate by adding the letter P at the beginning. Let's keep going. Now we have plate, but we want it to say slate. Let's stretch out slate. Slate. S-O-A-T. Slate. Where did that change happen? At the beginning. We said goodbye to the letter P and hello to the letter S because that makes the S sound to make plate into slate. Nice job. Let's keep going. Now we have slat. We want it to say flat. What letters do we need to change? Let's stretch out flat. Flat. F-O-A-T. Flat. Where did that change happen? At the beginning. We said goodbye to the letter S and hello to the letter F because that makes the F sound that we heard at the beginning. So slat turns into flat. Nice job. So what did we learn today? We learned that we can make a new word by changing a letter or adding a new letter. But we have to think about where is that sound change happening? In the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word. So when you're doing your writing and spelling, think about stretching out those words and where that change happens.